Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss on monthly iron fly and its adjustments. So this we are also going to utilize with monthly weekly option combo combination which we had discussed one of my previous video, which I will put it in the description. So along with this, if we do that weekly combination, the profits will be like very good ROI. But we can also do the standalone monthly iron fly alone for the people who are going to job, people who are just beginners. It is very easy for them to do these adjustments, very simple. And people who are like intermediate or and above can use the weekly combo. See the video link in description for more details. So these are the few adjustments we are going to do in the monthly. So we don't have to worry for a small rejections or small support and reversal patterns. So we will see if there is a strong rejection or strong support. Okay, at either at support level or resistance level. If there is any rejection or reversal pattern, we'll see. Or if there is any breakout, then we'll think what to do with that. Okay. Okay, and other thing is, if the legs are available in a cheaper price, 15 or less, even though there is no reversal or there is no movement. So sometimes you will get it in a cheaper price, 15, less than 15, or sometimes less than 10. You come closer to make your fly lossless. That helps to make your fly lossless. Okay, let's get into the simulator to see how do we do this. So we are going to do the same period which we have done for monthly weekly combo, that is 29th of December till that. So it's going to be January expiry basically. And so we will come to the end of the day. That would be better. So on 29th end of the day, that is at 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. So we'll go for this, right? Okay, so it is 43,000. Let's create the iron fly at 43,000. So there is more difference between these two legs if you see put and call legs. So let's go to the equal premium or close to equal premium. So you can see here 732 and 691. This looks little closer. So we will just create the iron fly over there, 43,200, right? And the premium is equal to 1,400. Let me see which day we are taking. 29 3 p.m. That's correct. 1,400 from 43 200 is 44 600. This is the one by leg. You can see the video in 1.25x or 1.5x to save the time, I guess. 43 to 1,400 less is 41 800. Correct? Okay. So now we will also see the chart pattern where we have strong rejection. So this is your iron fly, and you can also see the risk reward here. It's good, more than 1:1, 1:2, and break evens are at these places. So there is nearly 2000 range we have here. And coming to the chart pattern, I've already drawn the support and resistances to save the time. Okay, so imagine from here there is no graph, so we'll have to take the support and resistance from here. You can see this is looking good, and this is also looking strong. And so once this has broken these levels, then we can think about drawing these two support lines. So there is one, and here also there is a good rejection. You can go to daily chart pattern and then you can find the support and resistances. So as we didn't have a recent data here, we had to go to daily and little backwards. So here we have support and resistance. This line we will draw during the monthly chart patterns. It forms, right? So here it made some, and here also made some pattern. After these two rejection we have drawn this, so it can come up to this. No, it's not. You can see the strong rejection patterns. So here it is making higher highs, and there is a strong rejection and breaking the higher highs with inside candle. I hope you know inside candle chart pattern. So here it is breaking the higher high and making in the inside pattern, and there is a strong rejection here, and of course this is going to be a good point for the reversal. Here we can bring PE to the closer, okay, and if there is any intrinsic value at the CE, you can book. If we had made PE inside by here, so we would have stayed in intrinsic money or at the M, so we don't have to bring again the PE like here. So next one is looking at here. So there is some reversal pattern. So at this place we can get in. So 4th 10:30 and 6th 2:30. So let's start the simulation. Fourth until 4th I can go. If there is any few changes in the PF graph, if it comes to the break even, then we can also think about making the adjustment immediately. Otherwise, go to that chart levels where we have drawn 4th. Actually we had 4th 10:30, right? So let's come back till that point 10:30. Even if it is not at break even, but we can bring some, pay some 30 at the PE side and come little closer. Not too much, because we are still in the good, well within the payoff graph. Why is it not coming? Yes, okay. So exactly at the center, but still we are taking a decision of bringing PE closer. So that's the difference in my style of using the iron fly. So we have a rejection patterns in the calendar at 10:30. Why don't we utilize that? Let's see. We have 175 in PE, and let's see if we get the premium closer, cheaper. So we can give 20 points here. I think only this is the one here. It's here less than 30, right? Here also less than 30, less than 30. Let's not go too deep. So can give less than 30, but yeah, so again we have less than 30 here. Let's not go too close to the ATM, straddle, and also we are well within the PF graph. So I have moved some 1 2 3 4 5 legs, so that's enough, right? So if we don't go too close to the straddle, and as you are within the payoff graph, you can still stay a little away even though you are getting the legs cheaper. Okay, now we will book this Sonos at the same time at 175 point. and we'll also see how our payoff graph looks. You see this this side the loss is very less, 2500, and other side we have around 12,500. okay, but the rejection is towards down, so we are not going to worry. Let's see, next one is at 6th around 230, right? So until then, if there is any movement in the this cursor to the break evens, then we will see. Okay, yeah, so there is a break even, but in the chart pattern, so it is at somewhere at rejection, this strong rejection, somewhere we are here, we are going to take 215. We'll take a call of booking intrinsic. Let's move ahead by 30 minutes now. And when it is at break even, okay, let it refresh. So yeah, the reversal pattern made here, there is a rejection, but yeah, that's right, whatever we planned, 215 is right decision. Even though it is in break even, we already bought the PE leg closer, so we don't have to worry much. Our PE leg is here, right? And we can also see if there is an impact in our P&L, not much. So wait for that rejection, and there would be definitely good intrinsic value at PE side. So at this place we will book intrinsic value because there is a rejection from support, and there is high chances it goes up. And why do we miss intrinsic value if there is any? Let's see the P&L table. So we are sitting at 655, and we can bring this leg also closer if it is available in less than 30. So sometimes we have a risk of coming very close to this. Be mindful about this. So maintain a good distance. So we can also do only for monthly, and for intermediate and above you can use it for combination with weekly. So now let's go to PF chart and book the intrinsic value by taking 50 at least. So between these two only 32 or 3, but here there is 50, between these legs 40, not much actually. So we can, since there is a rejection, so we can go till this point. So otherwise there is not much intrinsic value, it's not more than 50. Since there is a reversal pattern, so we will book 2 legs. And at the same time we can also book, we'll also come closer by giving some extra premium this side, right? So we can come till this place is also less than 10, less than 10. So till this place will come. We'll give less than 10, not more than that. Okay, and we will have to book the other 2 legs. Let's go up and book that buy legs. Book 242 at 655. You can keep a alerts for a major breakouts more than 500 or at supports. If you are doing full-time job or if you are not a full-time trader, keep the alerts. You will get alerts and then you can take the action of adjustments. So other leg is this one will book at 45.5. Generally I do that, keeping alerts. I'll not react for small chart change patterns. So that is still okay. So there is an option of booking some intrinsic values or some quick amount here. You can make quick bucks, but I will react only if there is any more than 500 points change. Okay, there is a rejection here. So and here also there is a rejection on 9th 3 p.m. right. Strong candle. So here you can bring the PE closer at this levels. There is a strong candle and it's breaking this level also. 10th 9:30, you'll come to 10th 9:30 and then book, see if there is any PE intrinsic. Let's see, I mean what we have done so far. We have two legs here. Yeah, we can book some if there is any intrinsic in PE, and we can also see yeah, we don't have to do anything with CE because that's going to be a rejection right from the top. Now 10th 9:30. Let's see the payoff graph. So payoff graph is looking lossless to the upside, and we have some 4,000 sorry 6,000 loss to the down. Focus is on making lossless with the monthly, and thereby we can sit till the end for the maximum returns. So on, since there is a loss side to the down, we'll focus to bring it closer whenever there is a decent rejection. Not, we don't have to wait for a strong rejection here. So at this point I will bring it closer. So this candle is formed at 3 o'clock on 9th. Let's come to 9th at 3. So whenever either it come to the break even at or at 3, there is a breakout of some support. Even though that's not very strong support, but we have some open loss to the down. Why don't we come closer and reduce that? So that's the idea. So let's see where we are sitting, and let's give some extra premium and come closer to reduce to at the downside. $277, right? So we can give till some 30 can bring 2 legs closer till this point. So we don't have to go very close. Our idea is to reduce the loss in the downside. This can reduce the profit also to the upside, but that's okay. We are our break, I mean bank nifty is closer to the PE side, that is still okay. 579 we will book at 277. And let's have a look at payoff graph, how it looks. So we have reduced downside loss to 3,100, and to the upside we still have 3,500 profit, and maximum profit is 21,000. Look at our risk reward now, it's very good. We are in the process of making it lossless. So if you are using with combination, so you are earning from the weekly, and in monthly we are making lossless. That's where the beauty is. So next rejection or support we'll see in this chart. So on 9th we had taken a decision of coming closer, and there is no intrinsic. I have seen the premiums otherwise. So here we can take a call, but there is a rejections here, so don't have to react for the smaller things. So this place we can take a call at coming the CE closer, this place, and 13th 2:30 12:30 you can bring the C closer. If there is any intrinsic at P, we will book it. Then 30, right? Let's go to. So we already bought the P leg closer, so nothing to worry much. So it has moved, not to worry much. We are still okay. Not to worry much. So 13th 12:30. Let's go to 12:30 directly. So meanwhile, if you find any good intrinsic value, you keep booking it. So during this course, I've not seen the intrinsic, but you can also do that. More than 50, you can keep booking. So this is very easy for the job goers and for the beginners. When during the live market, no, since you are relaxedly doing the monthly and very you put the alerts and just follow these rules and bringing the reversal only with the buy legs. And the capital required, guys, I'll tell you, play at least with the 2 lakhs, even though it accepts less than 1 lakh. So when you exit the buy leg, it won't allow you to book buy other legs, okay, because of the capital requirement. So keep at least 2 lakhs for the combo, guys. 4 lakhs for lot for only monthly iron fly, it is 2 lakhs. And if you are doing with more than 20 lakhs, again plan with 4 lakhs only. And combo, guys, at least 4 lakhs even with 2 lots or whatever. For practice you can use 3.5 lakhs, but yeah, when you start earning, keep a 4 lakhs for the combo and 2 lakhs for monthly alone. Now we are at 12:30. So what I'll do, I'll just book intrinsic if there is any and bring the CE leg closer because of the rejection pattern. From the support side we have a rejection, right? So now 463, I'll see for intrinsic more. So here close to 50 and here 50, and yeah, it's not 50 in the other legs. I'll just move away till this place, and to the C side you can come closer, giving a small amounts, less than 20 since there is a rejection, less than 30 also fine. Don't go too close to the straddle. So here 10, here 11, yeah, this is fine, I think. And book the other buy legs, okay, at 40. Oh, previous one also we purchased at the same price, right? 47, right? And we have booked this some intrinsic value 463. 463. Now the payoff graph, we still have some, okay, we booked intrinsic value, that's why we have some open, so loss to the downside. That's okay because we are seeing a good rejection pattern, right? There is a higher chances it comes up. If again goes down, you can bring this leg closer, I mean this P leg closer to the break even if it continues to go. So people who are using combo, you will be keep selling from this side. There is a very good opportunity to sell weekly OTM call X from the opposite side, right? That's the beauty of that combo. Good opportunity, in fact. For people who are having only monthly, don't worry. So we are seeing the rejection pattern. If it reverses, then we'll see what to do. We can bring the P leg closer. So next reversal, strong reversal, we will find in the chart pattern. Until then, we can go by 1 day ahead. So here it has broken. So here we have taken decision, but even though it's open gapped up, this is a rejection mode up. Here we can take a call. This place 16th 2 o'clock. At 2. So we'll have to book any intrinsic in the PC side and come closer with the P side. Okay. And see our P&L. Where are we sitting? 4,000. Now we will also see the P&L. See, is there any intrinsic? No, it's already made some downward movement, and we are still having some decent amount here, but still, since we are seeing the rejection pattern from the app, we will come little closer to reduce the loss side in the P leg. Okay, it's 339, right? So we'll give some 50 extra and come closer, 40 extra here, less than 50, just to avoid the loss side. So there is a rejection to the down, but we have a open loss. That's the reason. I hope you understand the logic, what I am talking about. We are not going to touch this because the rejection is to the downside. 339. Just follow the process, don't worry about this. If you have more than 2% loss, simply exit. Okay. Oh, I exited this, sorry. We have to exit the other one, right? This one we have to exit 378 at 339.8. 9.8. So as I said, if we get into minus 4,000, exit, and that's the stop loss, 2% per month, and target is more than 4%. So let's see the payoff graph now. So loss side is reduced to 5,400, but still we have open loss to the downside, and we will see is there any support. If not, we will have to think about bringing P closer again. So it has made a rejection at this place, 17th. On 17th 11:45, we will have to bring the P leg closer again, because there is again rejection and we still have open loss to the downside, and we are very good to the upside. By giving some profit here, we have to bring this closer. Actually, that decision we can also take this rejection, actually. Yeah, 115, 130 we have to take, actually, because we have open loss to the downside. On which date? Sorry. Yeah, we have done this here only, right? Okay, so we can come closer by one more leg because we have open loss to the down, and why don't we give some premium extra? Sorry, which one I deleted? Oh my god, did I delete? No. Yeah, P we had to delete, right? That's what we bought in. So 337 we booked already, and P we thought of going little more high. Give 50-50 also, because we have open kept the P leg, P side loss open. Give 50-50 extra also, go closer till this point we can go. We are seeing rejection even if it is not very strong, but avoid the loss by giving some profit here. So now it is reduced to 2600. Okay, not a big loss to the down. So now we will have to look for the next one. So this is done, and there is a reversal here. If we get some cheaper, okay, so here in this reversal we'll look for a C. If we get a cheaper price at this point, 915 one day, 17 915, that means 930 we'll see. Okay, first 15 minutes the market will be open whenever it opens, so just wait for 15 minutes and 930 will take a call. So there is a reversal is forming at 930. Can wait for this place 11:15. So we'll bring the C leg closer there, and if there is any intrinsic value, we don't have to book because it's not a very strong. Since there will be cheaper C legs, we'll play with this, bring the C legs closer. Otherwise you will find a strong rejection there at this point. This candle, no, 12:15, 12 o'clock 17th, think about closing the risk loss to the downside. 17th come again, 12:15. I'll go to the next day and come back for saving the time. We'll come by 30 minutes. We need to see at 12:15. C leg, you can just bring it closer at 9:15, right, or 9:30. That also will do, and then come back to 12:15. Yeah, in real time you would have done that, but why do you miss all that? Now let's take that decision. Okay, if it is available in very cheaper price, otherwise we don't have to bring. And see for the both of them if there is any for the price. Okay, let's go to option chain. If it is available in low price less than 15, we'll bring it closer. Yeah, this one is less than 15, this one, until this we can bring it closer, otherwise we don't have to worry. And book the existing one at 70. So beginners can exit at 4%, that is 2 lakhs 8,000. Whenever you get, you can exit. So we will go to 12:15. There we have to bring the P leg closer, and at the same side, let's look at this. We have very good profit at C side, so we can give some profit and bring this closer. We can take that decision of bringing closer with the small rejection from upside also. Is there any small rejection on 17th? Yeah, at 11 o'clock itself we could have done that, 11:30 or so, this candle. 11:45. So logic you are understanding, right? Plus or minus 5 minutes I am making, 5-10 minutes. So I'm not taking at the exact that particular candle, decision at that candle. So you are understanding wherever you find the rejection pattern, since there is a huge open at the downside, and give some profit here and close this loss. So then you can play without any fear. Now I will come closer from the downside. Even though it is having expensive legs, let's come closer. $405, right? Okay, give more than 50 also is fine. So 50 here also, close to 50 will come till this point. Yeah, I can give extra also. So this place close to, I mean, it's not plus or minus 510 is also okay. You can come closer, because to the C side we have very good profit. And why do you keep less profit at the B side? So till this point will come. Did we come beyond this? No, we are still fine, and we'll have to book the leg open. That is at 405. Where is it? 468. Oh yeah, here. 405. Okay. Now we'll have a look at our payoff chart. So downside we have no loss. To the upside we still have more than 10,000, and maximum profit that we can get is 15,000. Let's move by. Okay, we'll directly move with the chart to save the time. So there is a good rejection from here. It is making price action, and here you could have taken a decision, booking intrinsic value at 18th 930. Okay, so book the intrinsic value, don't leave it. 18th, I'll go ahead and come by 2 hours back at 9:30. We are going to book the intrinsic value, and if the C is available for cheaper price, we will bring it closer. Those two things. We are focusing only on buy legs. We are doing nothing with the sell legs. So let's book if there is any more than 50, and this side you can come closer by giving less than 50 premium, or if there is a stronger reversal, 30 is also fine. Don't stick to that hard line of that number. Plus or minus 510 is still fine. So we can book this one, and this is also 40, right? This is 40 or 50? 50. Yeah, book wherever you find 50, and here less than 50, book till this point. So we will keep the downside open for a loss, but that is okay because we are booking intrinsic and there is a reversal, high probability of the reversal. If comes back, we will come back in the put leg. So 560 become 578. Now the payoff graph should have some loss to the downside. How much? 3,000, but to the upside 14,000, and maximum profit is 19,000. Don't worry, So now next chart pattern we'll find on the big one on nothing here. This is a small rejection, so don't have to worry. And sorry, wait a minute. Yeah, so until this place we don't have much rejection. So here we'll take a decision at 24th 1 o'clock. We'll take a decision here, and we'll bring the P leg closer, book the C intrinsic if any. Okay, that's the idea now. On 24th 1 o'clock, move till 24th. At 1. Meanwhile, if you get any legs for a cheaper price, we'll see this P and table. Buy legs are here, right? This and this. C is available for cheaper price, and our P and L is here at good P and L. So at the same time, see the difference between C and this, not much, so you don't have to bring it closer. Let it be. But on 24th 1 p.m. we'll bring this P closer. Let's move till 1. So people with 2 lakhs can book it. 9,000 we have seen, right? So now it is 10,000, 5%, more 4% you can exit for the beginners. We are still moving to the 1 o'clock. So there we had to take some action, and also we have one more day for expiry, right? Okay, let's book this and come closer, because there is a strong reversal at 1. And what about C? We can also come closer by giving some less than 10 or even 5. So both of them are having very low values. You can exit this actually. So this spread is having less than 20, 30 or whatever, right? So exit these two. C, I'll exit at 31.9. So in the combo we used to exit at less than, difference is less than 100, we used to exit. But if you are doing standalone, less than 50 you can either exit or leave as it is. But now we don't have much difference at all. Why do you keep unnecessarily for, if reversal, if there is a reversal, so it will increase the premium, both of them, so you will not get that benefit of whatever premium decay happened, right? So exit simply, and this was at 12:15. So we are exiting these two. Now we just have put spread, and that put spread also we will have to bring the P leg closer to reduce this lots. To the upside we have 19,000, come closer. So overall profit is 9,500. Reduce some profit here, come closer, and let's see when we come closer how it looks like. So we are at 76. There is a good opportunity for us to bring that P leg closer. 26, right? Okay, here let's just give less than 50 any value, and we don't come very close to the straddle. So here 30 rupees, here more than 30. Let's come till 50, right? So it is having more than 50, so this is fine. Yeah, that should be fine, and we'll book 26.3. What was that? 413. We are giving a 26.3. So we are having good, M to M at the same time. So many people, can exit. It is close to 5%, right? So we are doing with simple adjustments, and we don't have to wait for a bigger returns and lose money. But for combo, you can wait. You have a very good opportunity to sell from opposite side. And let's see how is our payoff. Okay, look at this. We have locked 6,000 and to the up 16,000. So if it comes down, we are going to give back 3,500. If it comes up, we are going to get how much? 6,500. So that is 1:2 we still have. If it comes up, we are lucky. Otherwise, we still have profit of 3% locked. Okay. Now we have another 1 day at expiry. If there is any legs available, P leg available at cheaper price, I'll book. Otherwise, for a combo, guys, now you see the opportunity of selling from this side. You can still reduce the profit this side, moving away PA and sell 1:2, 1:3, 1:4 ratio in the weekly. Okay. One more point. So whenever it reaches break even, no, you can come closer because we have huge profit at that upside. There is no use if it is falling down and this profit go in vain. So let's give away some of the profit by bringing this leg closer. At the same time, the chart also says the rejection. So it is making lower lows, and there is a high probability that it is breaking. So we can at least come at this place when it is making higher high and hit this place at 2 3. We can bring the P closer to reduce loss, or not loss, increase the profitability to the downside. It is clearly making downside movement, and we have less profit here. What is the use of keeping this profit upside? Okay, at 3 we will take that decision. So now we are at this place. Now let's see the P&L and book this. Come closer, at least 2-3 legs to increase the profit side, increase the profit to the downside. Okay, we are booking this at 163, and we are going to bring the leg closer, P leg. I hope you understood the logic. So there are like dynamic decision. Many times the logic is you have less profit to the down, high profit to the upside. Market is reversing, 1 day left for the expiry. You have to give away some extra premium and come closer to lock extra profit to the downside. So there some 40, here some 50 points, no more than that, I think 70, but that is still okay. You can come till this place. You don't have to give 100 or 80. We could also have taken the decision little earlier. Because of that, this loss leg side is having a less profit, and this side we had a good profit. We could have taken earlier the decision. I think in real time you will understand that. Yeah, that's okay. So you can take that decision little early. So now we have 12,000 to the upside and 8,000, close to 8,000 to the downside. So we will not make any adjustment now. If there is any reversal, we will get a good profit of 6%. Otherwise, somewhere around 4%. That is okay. Let's go till the end. Okay, we are moving to the end. I think this is the profit it is locked. So either you can, you know, close at this point, or you can also wait till the end of the expiry. Anyways, we have nothing much to lose to the downside. If there is anything, sudden reversal, that could have benefited, but that's okay. Somewhere around 7,800 or 7,700. Yeah, this is our locked profit, close to 4% in the monthly. Okay, so that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share. Okay, and yeah, you can use this for your weekly combination. As we said, this is a separately made video. Along with that, you can use this monthly combination and make your iron fly lossless, and also increase the profitability that. And people who want to do only monthly, you can also follow this. Since this is a highly volatile month, and VIX was very low, premiums are less, so profit can be more than 10, 5%, 6% terms, and sometimes 10% also, but aim for 4%, that is fine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.